po what's advantageous with our aspirants now is that they have that passion. Kung makikita nyo naman kanina yung pagmamahal po sa produkto nila at lalo na po sa pagnenegosyo nandun po. And syempre in every business that you start, you need to have that passion. And along with that passion is your interest in the business that you've chosen. Ako po kaya po Orange Salon dahil mahilig po talaga ako magpapaganda, magpakulot, magpakulay. So yung interest na yon coupled with knowledge and then passion, talaga pong lumaki at lumago ang negosyo. So I see that with these kids. Given the right direction, given the right opportunity, and the right exposure, lalo na po ngayon digital na, soon po we'd like to sell online para mas mabilis po silang matulungan. So nakita ko na malaki ang potential nila to grow, not just as a business, pero as entrepreneurs. At nakaka-proud po yung kasi mga probinsyano po tayo. So maganda rin po siguro na may manggaling dito na produkto, negosyante na talaga namang upunlad at magkilala sa buong bansa, sa buong mundo. So, yun po talaga, orange salon po ang favorite color ko. So, aside from that, orange color exudes vibrance, positivity, happiness, youthfulness. So, ang kulay po ng orange ay masaya. It's always optimistic, di ba? You look forward to the future with hope. And I feel in any business, yun po ang kailangan, optimism. When you see that you have a future ahead and that you can grow and scale your business, may confidence ka to really run your business with knowledge and skills. And given this opportunity po na gagawin Orange Project, BTI, na tutulungan sila, mas malaki po yung magiging chance nila to make it in this industry. Kasi ako, I've failed so many times. Hindi nyo lang po siguro alam yan, pero dito sa Orange Project, we'll tell you my failures, my challenges sa pagtayo negosyo. But what I can tell them is that you fail fast and you fail forward. Which means, kung may dapat kang pagdaanan, kung meron kang dapat na trials na kung saan ka malulugmok, gawin mo na yun, matuto ka doon. But never give up. Kasi always failure is a part of God's greater plan. Naniniwala po ako doon. So kung hindi po natin siya matutunghayan at kung hindi natin siya mararanasan, we'll never know how it is to come back and to really be resilient enough to go through your challenges. At syempre po, maging negosyante ka na hindi lang puro nagbebenta. I think that every entrepreneur should be an entrepreneur with character, which means meron kang hangarin na makatulong sa iba, hangarin na i-promote ang iyong kung saan ka nagmula, at hangarin na ipakita kung ano ba talaga ang mabuting negosyante. Hindi lang po sa gawa, pero naniwala po ako pati sa puso o sa isipan. Because when you put your customers first, everything else follows.
Ma'am, tanong ko lang, bakit sa beauty product? Why not food kayo pumasok? Bakit beauty product?
Beauty product, ano po, una-una po, yun po yung mas marami akong kaalaman. And I think, sa pagpili po ng negosyo, now that you mentioned it, you have to stick with the product or with the service or with an idea na kaya niyo po panghawakan kahit hindi siya masyado pang lumalaki. That's the trial kasi minsan, did you know that in the first 5 years, business is scale, only 5% remains. So napakaunti po nun, di ba? So in 5 years, nawawalan ka na ng gana. Pero when you choose an idea na malapit sa puso mo at alam mo yun ang kagalingan mo, talaga succeed ka. And in my case po, yung beauty products, so ipapapa-beauty po, yun po talaga yung gusto ko po. So that's me siguro, the passion is in beauty. And later on, when I bloomed into an entrepreneur na po talaga, ang tawag po kasi diba, serial entrepreneur, you get to have beauty business, restaurants, o kaya service-oriented business. So dahil nakita mo yung prinsipyo, the principles of running a good enterprise. And that's what we want to teach these kids, our aspirants, na kahit ano pong negosyo na itayo ninyo, basta alam niyo po yung sistema ng pagtatakbo ng negosyo, kahit ano pong negosyo ang patakbuhin nyo, ay mauunlad po kayo at kayo magsasucceed. At na sumuporta, we are very much thankful and will be forever indebted. So sana po magkita-kita tayo ulit. We'll hold several programs and we'll make sure you'll be a part of it. At layunin din po namin na ma-promote ang pag-vlog ng mga Novosianos. Kaya po namin kayo in-invite. Sooner or later, the Orange Project will also offer online courses para po sa mga business-related na ideas na gusto nating matutunan.